Mail call, Amazon box. What do we have here? Shout out to my brother Juke, AC Infinity. Let me get this on done. When you want to do things with scissors or knives, just be very careful. Try not to damage your boxes too bad, because you never know if you're gonna send back your stuff. I was waiting on this for a while. Not there. You got 8-inch filter. Looks pretty good, no damages I can see so far. You got a dust cover here and a strap. Let's see that. As usual, we got our warranty card and our instruction manual. Just telling you how to put out the fan and stuff. You know what I do with these. Overall, a pretty good filter, just like all of AC Infinity equipment. So just waiting on one more thing to get this 5x5 Grow Tank series started. But for right now, like, share, subscribe if you want to subscribe already. And you know what to do. GIY, grow it yourself.